Before we look at arrays, suppose we have 5 variables storing a name, and we've printed those names to the screen. Let's see how that looks in the browser. Now, we have Jack, Jill, Mary, Donald, John, and we can access each of those variables in the console just to see what they are. So we have name 1 is Jack, and so on. Now, suppose we wanted to store 100 names. We would have to have 100 different variables. Whereas if we used arrays, we can organize our names better in one variable type called an array. So let's see how an array works in the console. So in here, let's define an array. Var array names equal to the so this is an empty array we have here. We can add some values to it. Now arrays start counting at 0. So if we want to access position 0 in an array, we use these square brackets. 0 equals to a name, Jack. So now there's one element in the array at position 0. And if we were to print the array, we see there's one element that we added, Jack. And array variables have a built-in function, length. So if we wanted the length of the array, or how many elements are in the array, we see that there's one element in the array. There's a different way to add a variable. It's called push. Let's say array names dot push, open bracket. Let's put Sanjay in here, enter, and the push returns the new length of the array, or the new number of elements in the array, and it is 2 elements. So let's see what the array looks like now. So we have 2 elements inside here. Another thing we can do, we can pop elements. So if we wanted to remove the last element, we can do array names dot pop, open and close brackets, hit enter, and we see it pop. It returns the name of the last element which it will remove. In this case, Sanjay. So if we were to view the array again, we see Sanjay is now removed from the array, and we have one element in here. Another way of editing the array is accessing the location, and we can change that name to Max if we wanted to. So that's how you can edit any array location you want. And we have Max. If we were to display the array, we've changed that to Max. And when we're popping values, we can actually get that value returned. We can have var myvar equals array names dot pop. So now if we want to know, because we've stored that variable, we can see what it is that we have popped, and Max has been popped. And if we display the array now, we see it's empty. We have no elements inside here.